Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trim, split and add music to your video in the CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already imported a clip, and first I'm going to show you how you can add music. So you can just click on the add audio at the bottom of your clip and click on sound. Here, just choose the music. You can use a one from CapCut, or you can also use or find the music from your library. I'm going to find one on my library. Click on device and just choose the music that you want to use. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this one. And to trim, what you need to do to trim the audio is just drag the audio here, the white box at the end, just drag it like this. It will trim your audio. Okay, but if you want to split, you can just go to where you want to split. For example, in here, click on the audio and you'll find the split option at the bottom. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.